Hi, Jeannie, this is Dave with Studies Weekly. You had asked me to provide information showing how the ELD standards are covered, ELL, and all the history social science standards. So I wanted to just show you a quick way to be able to get good visibility in our product to see how those standards are covered. So if you go to studiesweekly.com, click the login button, and the username and password that I provided you again is CA Adoption. For the username, the password is demo, DEMO. And when you log in, go ahead and click on the reading tab. That'll allow you to see all the different weekly units, social studies, science, or the Spanish. So if I were to click into any particular grade, let's click into fifth grade, for example. I see all of my different weekly units. So if I were to click into any particular weekly unit, go into week 4, for example. And if I scroll down here, and click on the standards, normally that's unclicked, but you click on it and it collapses or uncollapses that. There's all my social studies standards. And then there are my analysis skills standards as well. And then here are my English language arts standards. So right here, read with sufficient accuracy and fluency to support comprehension. There's another standard. Quote accurately from a text when explaining. So it gives you all the different ELA standards, and then you've got some writing standards, and then there's specific, different reading standards and stuff like that. And then here's my ELD standards. You interact with others in written English in various communicative forms. And so this is a way for each and every article, and that's just for this particular weekly unit, week 4 of California 5th grade. So that's a good way to get down and be able to see all the different standards that are going to be covered for that particular. If you want to see a lot more in depth, you come down here where it says standards correlations, and that kind of gives you the entire 5th grade at a glance, week 1. And again, you can see this for all the grades. There's all the different standards that are covered, the ELA, ELD standards, and analysis skills standards. So hopefully this helps to see how all the standards are covered.